Hello everybody, welcome to NTD Visual. Today I help you how to get your plastic hash dialog back in AutoCAD. Okay, so let's go. Now your step to get your plastic hash dialog back. Now the first step you start AutoCAD. Okay, so second step, your intent command socket HPDL. Now you select here. Okay, so and then three steps, inputs, volume, inputs values once, and then enter. Okay, so your active hash command H select hash. Now hash and gradient dialog open when you active hash command in AutoCAD. So if you reset default AutoCAD, you type AP. Okay, select. Now you input value to default to enter. So and then you active the hash command AutoCAD again, enter. Now no display dialog, gradient and head and gradient. Okay, very easy. Okay, to the end here. So if you feel this video helpful, you can please subscribe, like, share your information to everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.